Hey Corinne, I have been thinking about applying for a new job.
Oh really? Do you have your resume ready to go?
No, and I have no idea what to do. Can you help me?
Absolutely, I look forward to it. I have gotten many of the jobs I've interviewed for because my resume was very professional. I'm going to bring my mentor Paul to give you some advice.
One of the most important things you must do before an interview is make sure your social media is appropriate. Bad language, alcohol, drug usage, or other things can hurt you.
3 of the biggest social media sites, especially in relation to interviews, are Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a more professional social media network, but it's also important to understand how your Facebook and Twitter posts can reflect on you and potentially hurt your chances in order to get the job that you want. One of the most important things to reach success for a job interview is to understand what you bring to the table. It is really important to do a lot of background information on yourself, such as finding out your GPA, any necessary skills and stuff that you bring to the table, or awards that you have received. We will dive deeper into those in the coming slides. How do I know what information to put into my resume? There are so many choices out there of different things, including skills, awards, or other relevant information that it can be difficult to understand exactly what I should put into my resume to highlight my best features. It really can be overwhelming, all the choices that are out there. One great way to use LinkedIn is to use it as essentially another resume. You can list all your work experience, skills, and educational background on a social media site that's very easy for employers to see. You can also put your contact information so they can reach out to you over the internet. 3 things that need to be on every resume are your experience, especially in relation to your work, your educational background, including GPAs, and throughout all your colleges that you attended, and any post-college work, and finally, your skills or awards.
Here are the 4 big things to have on your resume for a clean and concise format. All must be adjusted to the specific job, and you must always keep it relevant to that job. Finally, be confident in your resume and your preparation for the interview. Employers like confident people, as it shows you can handle the job in front of you. I hope you learned a lot and feel much more prepared to complete your resume and land that new job.
Thanks, I feel much better. I will focus on keeping my information clear and relevant to the position I am applying for. See you guys later.